welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for a Dollar Tree haul. So didn't get too many items, but here they are. And we're just gonna jump right into this. Where do we start? Let's start with candy. All right, so this is definitely new at my Dollar Tree and super excited because it's almost Halloween. So 10 of these for $1 is pretty damn good. So I picked up 3 of these packages. These definitely, at my Dollarama, which is the Canadian dollar store, these go for, I think, anywhere between $2 and $2.50. So good deal. Grabbed 3 packages of these. They only had the coffee crisp. So $3 for 30 candy bars for Halloween is pretty good. So there's that. Okay, let's just jump right into the nails. So if you follow me, then you know that I'm always hauling the Dollar Tree nails. And if this is the first time you're watching this video, I always haul Dollar Tree nails. I absolutely love them. Here's some that I have on right now. So I definitely used to, just really quickly, I used to go get my nails professionally done, would spend 40 to 50 bucks every 3 weeks, really super expensive. And then I discovered Dollar Tree nails. I have a haul where I talk all about it and how to make them work. So you can check that video if you're interested in more information. But here is what I picked up. And I'll tell you which ones are new. So these ones are definitely new for my Dollar Tree. I've never seen these. I don't know if the camera captures the color, but it's like a navy blue with a silver sparkle. So I was so excited. You really have to dig behind though to see all of the nails. They're always hidden. These aren't new, but these are some of my absolute favorites. These ones are not new, but they're super pretty. And then right here, I actually have these on right now. Now these are, I think, sorry for the glare guys, I think these ones are new. So they're black with a little bit of sparkle. So I thought that would be really fun to wear around Halloween. These I am so excited for. Look at how pretty these are. So black with the silver, but it's on there as a design. So super pretty, really excited for those. And these ones I'm really excited for as well. These are so cool looking, never seen these before. So I hope that they keep getting more of these. Love, love, love them. All right, so that's what I got for nails. Just keep moving along. So 'tis the season. I'm definitely gonna start getting into my Christmas DIYs. I absolutely love this floral, so I went ahead and grabbed it. I'll probably go out and get more. These are just their standard berries. They always have these in several different colors, but these are so beautiful. So I picked up a pair of those. I also saw this. I've never seen wired garland ties before, and I always put garland up on my railing going up the stairs just like this. And they're just used to tie whatever you put up your railing. I actually put garland the same color as this up my railing, so I thought this would blend in perfectly to help tie and keep them in place, because I'm always using like wire and things like that. So super good idea that they had those. Also picked up some cake decoration kit. I want to make some holiday cupcakes. And then, whoops, just moving along here. A lot of this stuff is just for DIYs because I am getting going very soon on my Christmas DIYs. So I picked up 2 packages of these, but if you're looking for, I don't know, these kind of containers to make any kind of cupcakes or muffins, just to do really quickly, they have them, but I'm using this for a DIY. Gift wrapping. More white picture frames. I hauled these a haul or so ago, because my Dollar Tree very rarely carries white picture frames. So when I see them, I just grab them. So I got 2 more for some Christmas DIYs, of course. Look at this beautiful Christmas holiday cheer picture. It just hangs on the wall, but I'm definitely going to be DIYing this, of course. And then I thought this was a lot of fun. So this is just a Santa mailbox. So like you write your letters to Santa. It has a little like mail thingy that you can move up and down, and it does open. I just can't get it open with one hand right now. So I thought it was really cute if you have a little kid and you want to do letters to Santa. You can also DIY this on a stand of some sort. So I got that. And then really final here is some coloring books. So my kiddo loves Care Bears. So anytime I see anything Care Bear, I grab it because Care Bear stuff tends to be really super expensive. I don't know if you guys have ever tried looking for anything Care Bear. Really expensive. So they had these 2 coloring books. How fun is that? For $1. Yeah. So that's it. Really super quick haul. Didn't get too much, but stay tuned because I will be certainly making more, especially Christmas trips to the Dollar Tree to see what they got. So yeah, stay tuned for those, and thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and love and peace to you all. Bye.